Mark NP, and I'm here at Destination Dogs in New Brunswick, New Jersey, where we're literally going to travel around the world from one spot. This is I Never Sausage a Hot Dog. In the shadows of Rutgers University and the healthcare complex here in New Brunswick, New Jersey, we have Destination Dogs, a local joint that literally grinds its own meat and makes its own sausages. Let's find out how the sausage is made. There's an old joke that most people don't want to know how the sausage gets made, but I guess those people don't watch I Never Sausage a Hot Dog. Here at Destination Dogs in New Brunswick, New Jersey, early on a Monday morning, where they make different sausages inspired by recipes from around the world. Ezekiel's going to walk us through the whole process of making a Spanish chorizo step by step. To make the chorizo, we start with 50 pounds of quality fresh cut pork. Everything is kept very cold. Before putting any meat through the old grinder, the trick is to put ice through it first. Piece by piece, all 50 pounds are put through the top, where it comes out as a coarse grind below. After the meat is fully seasoned, it gets turned over a few times to mix the flavors. Usually all of the grinding happens on Mondays, and the casing is done on Tuesdays, but lucky us, they're going to demonstrate the casing process for us. A natural sheepskin casing is carefully pulled onto the nozzle. Then, let her rip. After filling a casing, he pinches and twists the sausage in a back and forth motion. From there, the fresh sausage is ready to cook and plate. Hey. I'm here with Jimmy Cronk at Destination Dogs in New Brunswick, New Jersey. He's a part owner and a founder of this travel-themed restaurant. Their hot dogs are based on destinations around the world. So what have you got for us today?
Well, we're going to take your taste buds on a culinary experience. We have hot dogs and sausages from around the world, and I hope that you enjoy that. We have a mix of domestic and international dogs, and what we try to do is capture the flavor of those locations and of the cuisines that they're known for. And if they're not known for like a particular hot dog, like Chicago or like New York, we try to take what they're known for in their cuisine, what's kind of famous, and incorporate that in the sandwich. That is the Cleo McDowell from Queens.
It's a great snap on that dog. You use Best Provision, is that right?
For our hot dogs, we use Best Provisions out of Newark. That's the hot dog I grew up on. I grew up in Elizabeth.
What a mess.
My hot dog spots were Tommy's and Jerry's, and they use Best Brand hot dogs. Well, at least Jerry's did.
It's a great hot dog, great toppings.
Thank you so much.
I love that one. I'm literally going to sample all these. He's going to tell me what I'm eating. I'm going to make a mess.
So with that one, it's hot dog, cheese sauce, secret sauce, cabbage, onions, pickle, sesame seeds. Cleo McDowell didn't use sesame seeds, but we don't because it's a tribute to Cleo McDowell. So
okay.
So that is the Waco Kid. It's our Texas dog. It's kind of inspired by Frito pie, which is from Texas. That is chili, cheese sauce, Fritos, pickled jalapenos, sour cream, and scallions.
The chili's something else.
Thank you so much.
What? Probably a secret recipe. What can you tell us about it?
I could tell you that it's definitely inspired by that Greek style of chili. There's there's a little bit of cinnamon in there.
Yeah.
That's classic coney flavor. Mm-hmm. Something that you'd find on Texas wieners.
I specifically chose this one over another to be on the menu because this is my favorite dog here. It's not a dog, it's a sausage. What do we got?
This is the Gladiator. I couldn't really think of like a real clever name. At first it was Mussolini, but I'm like, who's getting offended? So we took that off, and now it's
Mussolini is great.
It's a phenomenal one. So we named it the Gladiator. That is an Italian sausage, sharp provolone, and broccoli rabe. I mean, it's kind of like drives home like that Italian like fun.
Simple Italian flavors, but what you want, like
Totally.
from a destination-themed restaurant.
Yep.
I'm working my way around the world over here. What do we got here?
This is like a take on a banh mi sandwich. It's called the banh mi.
Banh mi.
It's like an Asian style, Cantonese style sausage, cucumbers, pickled daikon and carrots, jalapenos, mayonnaise, and cilantro. So that's kind of like, it's our Vietnamese dog. It's just, I think of banh mi sandwiches when I think of Vietnam and pho, but like you can't have that here. So like,
Sure.
Yeah, that would just be.
Yeah, this is really delicious. This is not something that I would have ordered, but now that I'm tasting it, I'm like, maybe I should think about, expanding what I do.
There's like 32 other destinations, bro. You don't have to limit yourself. Like, if that's what you're into, go get it. Like, but I'm glad that you're getting to try it. That's the thing I was saying before, too. It's like nice. This is, at heart, a hot dog place. It was inspired by other great hot dog places. And, like, the fact that, like, did you ever have a really terrible experience eating a hot dog?
No.
It's always like something that like makes you laugh, it makes you smile, and like it's like it kind of gets like shit on by like a lot of other things, but it shouldn't. It should be the start of the show. But like, you could come here, have a hot dog, get excited, and then you could try to like experience something else. And if you're not a real experimental eater, maybe something that looks like a hot dog and tastes like one or presents like one can make you a little more adventurous and makes you want to try that cuisine for real.
So,
This is my baby.
tell me about this.
This is called the Conquista dog. It's our Spanish dog. If I don't give my wife props on this is her dog. So,
Let me tell you, actually, when you started the business over on like the smaller location on Spring Street,
Yeah.
like I was there. I was in Rutgers. I was in New Brunswick.
That's
Yeah, I loved it. And this is the first one that I had. I was like going to Spain. I knew that I wanted to like.
Sweet.
Yeah, man. So like this is my jam too.
this is okay, awesome. So it's patatas bravas on top of a chorizo, and that's really it. Like a famous tapas from Spain on top of a chorizo, on top of a bun. You can eat it, and it's just good. It's like.
Yeah. That's it for this episode of I Never Saw Such a Hot Dog. If you like what you see, like, share, subscribe on YouTube. Thanks. Hopefully we got something there that you can do.
Hey Mike, please help me. It's rough. If anyone